I don't get it. Help me understand this. Sabi nila, they are being discriminated, but I do not understand how and why. Why do they need a special law when discrimination is already bawal sa batas natin? Well, let's talk about it. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Natatawa ako dito sa ginawa nila. Why do you need to use resources for another event? Just because you don't want to follow the rules. Hindi na siya discrimination. You are requesting for a special treatment. Bakit? Dahil ba masarap maging victim? And pag nanatili ka dun sa circle ng pagiging victim, you get to have perks. Just like the Soji Bill. Tingnan mo to si Ricky Reyes. Sila yung generation ng LGBT na tumanggap ng malaking damage para ilaban kung anong meron ngayon yung LGBT. And even them, they realize that the battle or the war has been won. No need to keep on fighting. Sila yung generation na tumanggap ng bugbog, sipa, gulpe galing sa mga parents nila dahil bakla sila. And now, even they realize, 'di ba? Hindi na kailangan ng further wars or battle. At some point, you have already won the war. Mas tanggap na kayo ng tao ngayon. Pag ginulpi kayo ngayon dahil ano kayo sa gender nyo, pwede nyo nang isumbong yun. What more could you want? Gusto nyo rin mag-adjust kami sa pronouns? Tangahin namin yung sarili namin na we'll call you they, them, even though you're just singular. Diba? Oh. Tapos ito pa, please. Leave the children alone. Huwag niyong baklain yung mga bata. Hayaan niyo silang mag-decide kung bakla ba sila pagdating ng tamang edad nila. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.